So, how do you stay cool when you're out camping in the desert in the middle of the summer? Well, in the daytime, you could go and take a dip in the cool river, but at night, you're going to need something special on your tent. So, what we've done is taken a house window air conditioner, put it up on a little platform, and then plugged it in. Now, in order for this to work, you have to either have a super long extension cord, and also you have to have something to plug it into. So if you have an RV type spot with electrical hookups, then you can do this. Otherwise, you might be able to get a Harbor Freight generator and put it far away from your tent and run it and plug it into that if you had a place with no electricity. But this definitely works and definitely keeps the tent cool. We've got it clothespined in place, and if you really wanted to be serious about it, this is what it looks like from the inside of the tent. It's just blowing cold air on the inside and the heat stays outside. If you want to keep varmints and rattlesnakes and critters and bugs and everything out of your tent, you could probably build yourself a little rectangle of screen door material and put it around the air conditioner and seal it up tight.